My name is Egle Petrylaite, and I work as a forestry specialist. All IKEA suppliers that use wood material in IKEA articles shall produce reports to IKEA on the regular basis about wood species, wood origin, which is used in IKEA articles. Regularly, we conduct audits at our suppliers, checking whether this information is reliable and if they are compliant with our highway forestry standard. We also conduct wood supply chain audits. Then we trace wood all the way from our suppliers down to the forest area from where the wood has actually been harvested. IKEA wants to source FSC certified wood because it contributes to our goal for wood from more sustainable sources. Every year we see that more and more forests are certified. So I'm sure that we will fulfill our target on wood from more sustainable sources by 2020.